Our Arduino project is Smart Dustbin. So let us understand first what is a Smart Dustbin. Well, it is a way of improving the detection, monitoring and management of waste using technology. But the question is, why do we need Smart Dustbin? Well, the answer is simple. It is because manual monitoring of waste in waste bin is a cumbersome process and it utilizes more human effort, time and cost which can be avoided with our present technology. This is the feature 1 of our project, which is automatic opening of the lid of garbage bin. Components I have used are ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino Uno board, 9-volt battery and a servo motor, and this is the circuitry. I have used this box to prevent any damage to the sensor and the Uno board. This is the feature 2 of our project, which is to monitor the garbage level using LCD display and an ultrasonic sensor. So the components I have used are battery, LCD display, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno board, breadboard and a buzzer. So the feature is, as you can see, the initially height available to us is equal to 29 centimeter. So if this height becomes less than 7 centimeter, then the buzzer will start beeping and will indicate the user to empty the garbage bin. So let me show you if I reduce the distance. As you can see, when the height left is equal to 6 centimeter, the buzzer is beeping. So this is the feature 2 of our project.